Let's go over the symptoms and causes of lung scarring. Another word for scarring is fibrosis. So if you ever hear anybody ask about pulmonary fibrosis, it is essentially scarring in the lungs. Now, pulmonary fibrosis actually covers a lot of different conditions. There are lots of things that can actually cause the scarring, but we'll just go over the top reasons in this video. Now, when I say scarring, it's just like a scar anywhere else on your body. You know, you'll cut yourself, and as it heals back up, sometimes you'll get that thick layer. That is the exact same thing that happens in your lungs. So, some of the causes are scarring occurs when the lungs become damaged from one thing or another, and they actually start to thicken. If the lungs start to thicken, it makes it harder to both breathe in and breathe out, and it affects how the oxygen gets into your bloodstream. Now, the symptoms of pulmonary fibrosis or scarring are going to be the same as for pretty much any other lung condition. So that's why I always say it's important to get checked out by a lung doctor, because not everything that is shortness of breath is COPD or asthma. So it is always important that if you have shortness of breath, if you're having a persistent cough, if you think that your oxygen level is dropping, it's very important that you go to the doctor and get it checked out so you can figure out why this is happening. But you want to watch for those things, and you also want to watch for extreme fatigue. Now, as far as causes go, it can be several things. So, well, for one, I'm going to start off by saying a lot of cases you never find out what caused it, okay? So one of the names for pulmonary fibrosis is idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, which means pulmonary fibrosis and you don't know how the patient got it. But just a side note. Now, what we do know causes it are different autoimmune diseases like sarcoidosis can cause it. Any kind of repeated infection. So, you know, say you have asthma undiagnosed and you're just constantly getting pneumonia. Repeated infections can cause scarring, as well as just a really bad infection. So like COVID pneumonia can cause scarring. And then, of course, just anything, if you are exposed to different things that hurt your lungs, any kind of pollutant, if you're exposed to it often over a period of time, this can cause scarring. If you experience any symptoms like shortness of breath, coughing, fatigue, all of them at one time, please go see your doctor so you can figure out what's going on so that you can find the right treatment option. Follow me for more lung tips.